Hello, my name's Paul Burns, under 3 feet of snow in Bradford, West Yorkshire, England. Today I'm going to show you how to create a submix in Reaper. There are many reasons you might want to do this, one of which is you might want to control many tracks from just one fader, or possibly apply one effect to any number of tracks simultaneously. I've recorded a number of tracks which are shown down the left and across the bottom. What I want to do is create a new submix from these two tracks. The buttons I'm highlighting here are the input-output buttons, and this process is done through using the input-output buttons. I've coloured the two tracks. I'm going to create a new submix by inserting a new track and routing the two tracks that I've chosen to the new submix track. I'm going to turn off the record arm and name the track Drum Mix. Clicking on the input-output button for this particular track, and the first thing we see is that here we have master and parent send, and we want that turned off because we're going to turn it into a send, and we're going to send it to track 7, the drum mix track. You have the choice as to where to insert the send into the audio signal chain. We've got three choices: post fader, post pan, which is selected, pre-fader, post-effects, or even pre-FX. These three choices of where to insert the send into the audio signal chain can be useful. Closing the input-output window immediately shows that the track I edited is now a send, and that the drum mix track is a master track and is receiving. We'll click on the input-output button for the drum track, deselect the master parent send. We're going to send the track to track 7, the drum mix track, and again it shows the three choices of where to insert this send into the audio signal chain. So it now shows that both tracks are being sent to track 7, the drum mix track. Opening the drum mix track, in the window over to the right, it shows what this particular track is receiving. In this case, the two tracks I chose to send to it. So now pressing play, you'll hear some music, and you can see that I can control the volume of both tracks with just one fader. Now, instead of applying an effect to both tracks, I can apply just the one effect to the submix track, and this lightens the load on the CPU. The thing to think about in this lesson is that when routing signals in the digital audio workstation, it's all done through the input-output buttons. It may be slightly different in other DAWs, but the process is going to be very similar. So that's a very quick introduction into creating a submix in the digital audio workstation Reaper. I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson, and thank you very much indeed for watching.